With Samsung Galaxy S10 series, Samsung introduced the Infinity O design, but in order to achieve it, Samsung had to get rid of some things, including the LED notification light, along with the iris scanner that they had. But the LED notification light is something that people miss a lot, and in this video, I'm actually going to show you a way where you can bring the hidden LED feature to the Samsung Galaxy S10 family. This is a completely free application, so you don't have to pay for anything. Now, I already set it up on my Galaxy S10 Plus and the S10e. As you can see, it glows like this. It's also colorful, so you can have different colors every time the notification pops up or if you have a battery indicator. So this is the best LED solution right now for the Galaxy S10 family till we see an official LED ring around the camera from Samsung themselves. So head over to Play Store and download this application called as Always On Edge Lighting. This basically has full support for the S10, S10 Plus, and S10e, as well as the Huawei phone. I think it was the Honor that came out with the hole punch design. But I have the Galaxy A8s with me. It's not listed here, but I'm gonna try it out here for the tutorial. So once you have downloaded the application, go ahead and launch on your phone, and for the first time it's definitely gonna look like this. It will have this edge thing around the display. What you need to do here is you need to go into settings, and then you have to start configuring some options. So first up is the permission requirements. So you need to tick all the permissions in order for this app to completely work fine. So phone state, always allow, change system settings, and most importantly, remember to enable the notification access so that it will do its job well. No apps restriction as well. Then you have to take this option when a notification comes. That means when the screen is off, you will be seeing a light around the camera ring. You can also set the timer for how long the light reminder will go. So you can have it displayed for 8 seconds and then stop if you want to conserve more battery. Then we have the most important option, which allows you to turn on the LED ring for selected application or all applications. So if I go ahead and click on this, you can see I have the option to enable this for all my application, which I'm gonna do right now. So every time I get a text from Instagram or any other application, I will have this notification LED ring light up. Now, if you don't want to enable for all of your applications, then you can disable or enable selectively for each individual app. You can basically search any application, such as I have Instagram installed, so I can disable here if I don't want it. So basically, you have a full control, and you can also set different LED color and pattern for each application. So if you want only one color notification, you can do that, 2 colors, or having multiple colorful notification ring light up as well. Again, you can set this individually with each application that you have on your phone. Next, you want to select this option that says when I put device on charge. This means that every time you connect the charger, the ring will light up as it is lighting up on my S10e. You can also turn on the LED indicator for headset plugged when you're making a call. If you want it to be on in different ways, you can do that. But this is just for the notification LED experience. You have a bunch of different ways to close the application, such as the long touch to close, as well as swipe up to close. So by default, it is on swipe up. You can have it on double tap if you want to. You can also set a custom battery time. If you have a battery, let's say less than 50%, then you can stop this LED ring to run. So you do have the option as well. Leave these options to default. Then around here at the enable edge lighting, you have to select this option that says around the notch only. So this basically doesn't work on the Galaxy A8s, as you can see. But it does work if you have a Galaxy S10 family phone. I thought it would work, but it didn't work on this bad boy. So if you select around notch only, it basically takes the light around the camera ring and it uses that for the notification. It looks really cool. It displays different colors. As you can see, sometimes it's green, sometimes it's yellow, red. Now it looks really good by default, but if you want to adjust the notch sport manually, you can do that. You have the option to increase the width of the notch. You can increase the height as well, but I'm just gonna have it automatically because that's the way it looks the best. Then we have the edge styles. A lot of ways you can have the effects. So flicker is what I've turned on. You can have it like follow. It has this animation. You can have it crash. You can have it sparkle. That is, I think, the default one that Samsung has implemented. Tides, crash again, stable. That saves more power and it uses 0% of CPU. So, and as you can see, it does change color all the time, and honestly it's the coolest thing happened in the recent time as far as the notches are concerned. So for the space between edges, I've set it to narrow, device corners, curved corners, of course, edge color numbers. So if you want different colors to be displayed, then have it on the top option, which is the color waves. You can have it just one color, which is the white. If you would just want to have red, you can select any stable color if you want to, and it just basically displays that. But I like different colors every time. It looks really cool. And then you can adjust the speed of this, its thickness as well. Then we have the clock settings. Basically this replaces your lock screen, so it does provide you a clock of its own, so you can set it there as well. You can also set some widgets, but pretty much this is what you have to do in order to enable the hidden notification LED across the Galaxy S10 family. Sadly, it doesn't work on the A8s, so this application basically replaces the lock screen, so it shows a clock of its own, which you can even customize within this app, as you can see here. So pretty much this is all you have to do to enable the hidden LED notification light around the camera ring. After you're done with all these settings, you have to do one important stuff, otherwise it won't work, and that is to save the settings. And once you click on save key, it basically shows you that in order to save, you need to watch a free ad. Go ahead and click on a free $0 watch video ad button. So this will show you a 15-second ad. You have the option to close it, but don't close, otherwise it won't save the settings. So just watch the ad for 15 seconds, and once it's done, your settings, as you can see, saved successful. So that's how you get this option. Now every time you connect the charger to your Galaxy S10 model, it will now display a colorful light ring. And if you have a Galaxy S10 or S10e, it will look like this. And just like a phone that has a normal LED light, this will light up every time you get a notification. Until Samsung does officially something about the LED notification, this is the way to enable this hidden LED on the Samsung Galaxy S10 family. I hope this video will help you out, all those Galaxy S10 owners. This application is a must-have. So again, download this application called As Always on Edge and follow the same settings that I use in order to enable it if you just want to follow my thing. Yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Peace out.